swear I hate TikTok. I've been seeing this money mantra on TikTok popping up ever since I downloaded it, and I still haven't made any money from anybody or any company, and they keep telling me to repeat after them. I will make money, I will make money. It's not working. And these gas prices are going up. They're so expensive. They're $2.50 a gallon now, and the government still has no idea what's going on with the stimulus check. Today, I'm going to show you 5 different ways to make money at home. They're going to be side hustles that you don't need to quit your job for or quit your whole career for. Do these jobs on your own time, after work, before work. Alright, let's get right into it, okay? First way to make money online is through buying and selling. Literally go on these different apps such as Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, or 5 Miles to literally get their free items, fix it up, and you can sell it back to the marketplace. Typical niches that people like to buy. Some of them are furniture, some of them are pet supplies. Cat lovers and dog lovers love pet supplies, and you don't actually have to fix them up at all. People just love pet supplies. So if you find something for cheap, whether it's a Walmart or Facebook Marketplace, you could just resell it on that app or a different app, and people love these things. You could literally flip any item that you want on Facebook Marketplace. Couch flipping, that's like a whole new thing by itself, a whole new genre by itself, where people will sell their couches for cheap because they're getting new furniture, or they're moving, but they're very hard to move actually. So if you have a truck, or if you have some sort of investment truck that you want to put into this for couch flipping, where you can get that couch, clean it up, and then resell it for a higher price. People love that stuff, especially if you put like new couch 2021, and you can literally make tons of money doing this. Second way to make money is through drop shipping. Now there's a lot of controversies and a lot of videos on YouTube on how to drop ship, and there's a lot of money to be made on drop shipping. Even though the people say the market is very saturated, the item listing is not saturated. So if you find viral items on TikTok or YouTube or any influencer uses a product, you can literally drop ship that item. And there's different strategies to use for Facebook marketing, where you can find the best products and have the best ads that generate the most revenue for you through drop shipping. Now drop shipping, the way it works is basically you take a wholesale item and you sell it to your client via you. Use the tools on Shopify to import items to the wholesale warehouse to your website, and you sell those items at a higher marked up price on your website. For example, a phone case, you get it from AliExpress for $2, and you can sell that same item to your customer for about $10. You are the website creator, you're the one that makes the prices. You go basically wholesale items to your client, and you make a profit off that. But you have to make a website, and I recommend Shopify. There's other ones like Wix, but I personally have a Shopify account, and you can make tons of money doing this, where you take someone's item and you wholesale it, they buy for wholesale, and you sell it to a consumer. Now the third way where you can make money is through freelancing. Freelancing is basically selling your services to someone. It could be video editing or photoshopping or social media editor or handler. You could be a website creator, and all these services could be done through Fiverr. Fiverr is a website that shows literally anything that you want to make, create, and design. You can find it there. Fiverr takes a cut, but you can find any type of buyer or seller on that website digitally. So they will make products for anything, the local design or photo editing, or there'll be branding services or social media services, YouTube generating ad services. They'll have any types of service that you want, and they can help you become very successful very easily. And honestly, it's at your own time. Let's say you can make a logo design for $30 to $100. If you're good at Photoshop, you could literally put your services online and make a design for somebody for a very lucrative price. Fiverr is one of the websites that can make you very successful at a very short amount of time as well. And you can do it from home as well. You don't have to be out there physically working. Fourth way you can make money is if you smash that like button, because that helps me a lot. But honestly, it's affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is basically you don't own the product, you don't sell the product, you just send traffic to that product. The way that works is that certain special link to your friends or family, if they click on that link and they purchase that item or similar items, you get a commission off that item. So if something's selling for $100, if you send somebody to that website to buy that product for $100, you get a commission on that. So you're basically a referral link or you're a salesperson, but you're technically not selling the item. Someone's selling the item, but you get a cut. But that's how you technically make money off affiliate marketing, that people put up their services or their products and they give it to you with a special link. Someone clicks that link, their traffic gets directed to that website, and when someone makes a purchase, you get a commission off that price. So it helps everybody in this situation. I help you find a great product that I trust and recommend myself. I send you to that website that has that great product. You buy that great product. That person that's selling the great product gets a commission. I get a commission, and you're happy because you just bought a specific item that you need or like. And the last way, the fifth item to make money, is print on demand or Teespring. Now, print on demand is also one of the apps that you can use through Shopify, and Teespring is its own app by itself. All you have to do is have designs and slap it on a hoodie or a sweatshirt or pants or hat or coffee mug, phone case, whatever you like on a website. And basically the item costs $10 to make, but you're selling it for $20, and the difference is that $10 that you would make, and the item comes from directly from the print on demand services directly to their home. So you hold no inventory, you have no warehouse products, you have none of that, and that is not your headache. That's the best part about print on demand. They make the products when they order a certain item, and that is the best way to make money if you feel like you are one of those, designers or graphic designers, that you can make money this way as well. So there's a lot of ways that this helps you, because that you don't have to actually hold inventory and none of that. You just promote your item through influencers on Instagram or Facebook, ads that you could do through Instagram influencers or friends or family, and basically people would buy your product that has your design on it. And there's no greater feeling to have your own company and sell the items that you designed yourself or help create yourself. And you can brand your whole print-on-demand services and make it your own company. The best part about these side hustles is that none of them actually are on a schedule. They're all on your free time, they are all at your own pace, and they can literally be your career if you choose to. And if you work hard enough, you could have a passive income through these services, whether it's print on demand or freelancing or affiliate marketing. None of these have to stop if you don't want it to stop. They could just generate money overnight, and that is the best way to make money. It's passive income, where you make money when you sleep. In 2021, we're gonna do it ourselves, and we're gonna cut our own checks, and that is our plan. That is our goal for 2021. No one's gonna stop us. And if you find any value in this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button so you don't ever miss a video from me. And please share this video, it helps out the channel a lot. So thank you. Please have a blessed day.